Today we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers and just seeing how far we can get. So yeah, let's just get started. Don't want to keep you guys waiting. So it is a little glitchy because I haven't played it in a while. So yeah, sorry about that. So you see, just okay. Let's see, and gotta go under this. Okay. Okay, I need you guys to leave down in the comments, if YouTube allows it, how many of those letters I miss, okay? So I got the first one. I'm gonna get hit. Good thing I still have a lot of keys. Let's see. Okay, I'm not gonna make you guys sit through an ad. And I get killed again. Really, it's a good thing I have all those keys. Alright, let's see if we can beat my score. Alright guys, if you haven't already, turn the device you're watching this on sideways and make that red subscribe button gray, okay? Alright, so I've literally only made it an 11th of the way I did last time I played. Alright, so I got a magnet. That's a huge check in the plus column or whatever for me. Yes, a jetpack. Okay, this is actually gonna make it pretty far for me. So I actually need to update the app because it's actually still on the Easter version. So yeah, I really actually need to get the app updated. And okay, I'm just gonna pause you guys for the video. Alright guys, so the ad is over. Oh, come on. Gonna have to pause you guys. You're laughing. Let's just watch this Facebook ad. You're welcome, Facebook. You know what? If you guys can, why don't you just download Facebook? You know, give them some satisfaction out of this. And, okay, that's the end of our ad. You know, I'm just gonna start doing this. Alright, why don't you guys download this? It's a really fun game. And yeah. Okay. Where should I put this? Let's leave that down there for now. Yes, install this now. Let's get another one. Star misplay now. And let's get one more. Okay, I swear this never gives me the right pieces. Right, now we have 3. Right, this is actually going to help me a lot. It's going to get me really far. Okay, yeah, just install TikTok. Oh, come on. You know what, let's just quit. Alright guys, since the game is glitching, that is all for today. Bye.